Are you looking for online opportunities to earn money? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will learn a new way using PayPal by simply liking and watching online videos. What an easy and convenient way to earn, isn't it? If you watch this video through to the end, you'll see that this is indeed possible. If you're still unsure, consider this: if you earn consistent amounts of money through PayPal, virtually every aspect of your life may improve. You can use the money to put down a down payment on a house you've been eyeing for a long time, a computer, the latest iPhone, or almost anything else you desire. You can even use the money you earn to assist your family. That is why it is critical that you pay close attention to this brief video. In order for us to assist you in earning money and living the life of your dreams, this strategy is open to anyone anywhere on the planet. As a result, you need not be concerned about limitations. This does not require any special skills or experience. However, please take note that the strategy will not really make you an instant millionaire. If you're a beginner, this may be ideal for you and is quite effective if you're simply looking for a side hustle. We'll walk you through the entire process because we want to ensure that each strategy we demonstrate has the best chance of success. So be sure to watch the video all the way through. Before we proceed, allow us to help you set up your PayPal account so that you can accept payments from the websites we will show you later. Using the default browser, open the address bar and type paypal.com. Now, in the upper right-hand corner of the website, you'll see a button labeled Sign Up. Click on that button to be redirected to this page. After selecting Personal Account, click Next. After the remaining fields, we will leave them blank unless you choose to fill them out because they require your personal information. Nonetheless, the registration process is quick and simple. Following verification of your PayPal account, you may now be able to accept payments from anywhere in the world. We shall now proceed to the website. Today, we are going to show you a brand new way to earn money online. Undeniably, we'll introduce you to a new website called ourapiedworkers.com. Simply type ourapiedworkers.org into your browser's address bar. As their homepage indicates, Rapid Workers is a crowdsourcing company with over 100 employees. Additionally, they assist individuals, small groups, and professionals in developing low-cost exposure and advertising and marketing campaigns that increase sales and backlinks to their websites. If you're interested in working on this website, visit the Micro Jobs section. Select an activity that you enjoy and tasks which you wish to complete, and then submit evidence. Additionally, you will earn money through this website which you can withdraw via PayPal Cash. Now we are going to demonstrate how to register. To access this page, click this button and enter all required information, including your name, email address, password, and country. As the list of countries demonstrates, they are open to accepting candidates from all over the world, demonstrating that this technique is well worth investigating. Following that, you must verify or confirm that you're not a robot, and with that, you have completed the process of creating your account. Keep in mind the rules they've established for you and make a point of adhering to them so that you can spend more time on the site. For instance, you're not permitted to use a VPN or any other type of IP concealment program. Nor are you permitted to use multiple records with the same IP address, nor the use of shared or public Wi-Fi. Additionally, you're not allowed to use the same IP address for multiple websites nor perform tasks associated with a country other than your own. Bear in mind that if you violate any of these rules, you risk yourself of being banned. So, do not waste time attempting to deceive the system. Once more, once your profile is complete, you will be prompted to confirm your email address. To do so, navigate to your email inbox and click the link in the email sent to you. You can now review your record and sign it directly from your dashboard. Additionally, you can monitor a variety of different things, including all-out stores, absolute withdrawals, and a variety of other things. Here are some points that you may have overlooked. You can actually earn between $1 and $5 simply for signing up. Additionally, the earning potential on this website is incredible. As you can see by scrolling down the page, there are numerous tasks that you can complete, each with its own installment. They're all quite straightforward, and you can see the magnitude of the totality you can obtain for each errand. When you scroll down the page, you'll notice that each one only requires a few minutes of your time. Keep an eye out for tasks marked global or named after the country from which you started, as this is a scam. Keep an eye out for the global one, particularly given that our center will be tasks requiring you to like videos. Now, type YouTube into the search bar here and click on this button. Following that, you can sort the positions according to the amount of money you can earn by completing them. Simply click on that, and the most profitable assignments will be displayed first. Consider this task in greater detail. It will compensate us with a sum of money if we complete a task in this amount of time. As you can see, it will direct us to this page which contains all of the information we require to complete this task. All you have to do now is follow the instructions to complete the assignment, and you'll be compensated at the conclusion.